Oh my god! Carmen! Come here! What are you doing? You're so cute! Ooh! It looks good when I'm not, like, when I'm this, it looks good, right? And then when I took a picture, it looks darker.
Yeah, so, let me see.
Carmen! Ooh, you're so cute. Taking pictures of fools. Central Park. Hey, it's muy friísimo.
What was that? Can you say that one more time?
Friísimo.
No.
Muy.
¿Hace mucho frío?
¿Qué estoy hablando, ma?
Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Sam is very cold, so
it's extreme, like freezing cold.
So we're gonna go inside. We're at the mall now. Look at everything around us. What's she doing? Sam's gonna grab a bag. Never mind, she's looking at the clothes. Look at her. Look, she's gonna grab the bag now. Try the one over here. Can you try the tan colored bag? Ooh, look at her. She's trying it out. We're walking to the coffee shop. Look at her go. Sam is here for her coffee.